Welcome fellas to this new video to Express. I'm going to be showing you how to change really easily and turn on subtitles into Disney Plus. So basically I was trying to sign into my Disney Plus account, but if you don't know, it is forbidden to record inside any streaming services because it's of the law. So I found this actual video that can be helping us to find out how we can actually focus on. Let's assume, for example, that we are directly inside watching our streaming, let's say our best video so far. So basically what I'm going to do, of course, is to into your smart or streaming sticks devices, or into whatever element that you're watching your actual movie, you will be seeing something like this. So here's your actual video, here's the play, the before chapter, the next chapter, and here are the settings. When you tap into this element that says the settings menu, here's the interface experienced. It's going to be showing you both audio and subtitles. So you wanted to select that icon, and basically here you wanted to type into the element that instead of saying audio, you change this for the option that says subtitles. As you can see by default that this might be appearing as off, and you have here this check mark that is directly appearing into off. But if you move this into another language, let's assume for example that I speak Espanol, I choose of course this element is Espanol. So I select that element, and just like that you finalize your selection and you're actually good to go. Now, just in case that you're not able to find your preferred language, that means that this subtitle is not available yet into your actual country. So this totally varies depending on the actual region you're actually currently using. You can change the font size, you can change the color if you go for the subtitle styling, but you can just change even the black background if you wanted to make the text pop against bright scenes. So this process is actually going to be really easily to focus on the changes right away. So if you have any questions, you can let me down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Hopefully we can all see you next time.